Hi guys, I hope everyone's well. This is the Key Stage 3 Science video, and it's a guide for maths for scientists, and we're going to try and do 4 questions, and hopefully we will achieve these 3 learning objectives. So the first one, we're going to draw a frequency table. Second one, draw a comparative bar chart. And the third and probably most difficult is to interpret a comparative bar chart. So let's have a go. First question, draw a table showing the shoe size and frequency it occurs of the people in your house and some of your other friends and families. So I will show you one that I've done, and then hopefully you'll be able to do your own. So all you need to do is write down people's shoe sizes in your house, maybe go on your social medias, ask your friends. I know it's a bit of a random question, but once you've collected some data, what I then want you to try and do is draw it into a frequency table like such. So in my group there was 2 people that had size 5, there were 2 people that had size 9, 3 people that had size 10, and only 2 people that had size 11. So that is a frequency table, and the first thing you needed to do. So just to check that, what I would like you to do is have a go at this exam question to see if you really understand frequency tables. So 66 people were asked about how many people they knew who had been infected with COVID-19. 30 people knew 1, 21 people knew 2, 7 people knew 3, and the rest knew 4 or more. Construct a frequency table using this information. And the answers are there for you, and what you've probably noticed is the hardest to do was the 4 plus, because you had to do a calculation and the answer should have been 8. So well done if you got that right. Alright, on to the next learning objective. We need to draw a comparative bar chart now. So this is something that compares 2 or more sets of data, and you need to use different colours for each data set. So what I would like you to try and do for me is draw a comparative bar chart comparing your phone usage for studying and social media for 1 week. The easiest way to do this is to draw a table, and every time you pick up your phone, if it's for social media, just jot it down. If it's to do some kind of home learning, jot it down. So this was my example. So you can see that on a Monday, I used my phone 9 times for work, and I used it only 3 times for social. And then what I've tried to do is turn that into a comparative bar chart. Now what I need you guys to try and do once you've done that is a common technique we need for exams is describing the trend. So I would like you to try and describe the trend of your bar chart, and the easy way to do this is talk about the highest and make sure you use some numbers, and to talk about the lowest as well. So as you can see, the highest work use for me was on Wednesday, Thursday, and that was 12, and the highest social use was Friday, and that was 8. And what I could also do is talk about the lowest. So try and write a paragraph describing your trend for me, please. So well done for doing that, guys. You should now be able to achieve these 3 learning objectives. Any problems, please email myself at the Edge Academy. Thank you.